What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to check out the Mugen Style Window Visors for the Acura TL. Now I'm usually not a fan of window visors and I haven't installed any for years now, but these caught my eye because of the way they're styled and they're pretty cheap for what they are. Let's go unbox them and check them out. And here's how it's looking right now. As you can see, it's a little see-through. You can see my fingers right here. But I'm actually okay with the quality. I know it's going to be cheap. How it's going to be installed is you see this little indentation right here. It's like curved. It's gonna go around the side view mirror right here. So the installation is a little weird. I'm not liking it at first, but it's pretty clean. It's clear, which I actually don't like, and it's a little hint of blue. It does come with its own double-sided tape. I'm not even sure if it's going to be good, if it holds up well. I'm going to guess no, but we'll install it. I'll check it regularly to see if it's going to fall off or it's not glued on or any issues like that. But let's get with the installation. Should be really easy. So we're going to unwrap this, install it, pull it off, apply pressure so it can stick on, and we should be good to go. So before I forget, I do have to clean where the window visors will mount. I'm going to basically just degrease it with some soapy water and then go over it with alcohol so that it's all clean and it's going to have a clean adhesion. Here's how it's looking, guys. I'm not even sure how it's gonna hold up, but hopefully it holds up okay. Fitment is okay. I think I lined it up as best as I can. This is the driver's side. You can see here, this is how it's looking. This lines up just like that and goes all around, but you can see the little indentation that makes it Mugen style right here, and it stops right around here. A little hard to tell. Oh, you can see it right there better. Yep, but fitment is pretty good. So as you guys can see, it goes over and onto the side of the side mirror right here. So this has to be installed like this because a little indentation right here. See how it protrudes out? Yeah, so I don't like this, but I guess it should help with it staying on. But that's basically how it looks. It's not fully black. It has like a slight gray or blue tint, so the camera can't really pick it up. But let's move on to the other ones. Alright, so here's the final product on the driver's side. Okay, my biggest complaint right now is right here, and I knew that going in when I bought it. Like, I wish it extended it all the way. It looks pretty bad when it's not cut off, like when it's cut off like that. So I wish it went all the way. I think the only visors that cover that part is the OEM ones, but those cost a pretty penny compared to these. But this is how it's looking right now. It looks pretty good. But like I said, I'm not usually a fan of window visors, but as you can see, the little curvature does make it just like a Mugen style. Fitment is about 90-95% like perfect. Yeah, so I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but I don't know if it's because of my window tint. It's clearly blue over the 20% that I have for tint. So I'm not liking that, but at least it's on. It looks pretty decent. And for the price, it's pretty good. Let's get going on the other side. Here's how the passenger side is looking. Same situation, it gets cut off right here. But fitment is still pretty good, about 90-95%. Same situation over here, comes over. But I'm actually pretty happy with it. Alright guys, I'm inside the car. Just a quick note, here's how the window visors are looking from the inside of the car. There's a slight blue tint to it, like I said, just to let you guys see what it looks like. So a few things to note. You know, it is on the cheap side, but me personally, I think it's one of the better looking window visors for the Acura TL, at least for the cheap. Obviously, the OEM one is the best looking, the best fitting, and it will last a long time. I can already tell that this is pretty cheap, and the adhesive that they use is on the cheaper side. Fitment is pretty good, about 90-95%. The curvature matches almost 100%. My biggest complaint is the ones on the rear, how they don't extend all the way, but I already knew that going in from the pictures. If you're okay with the quality for the price, I would definitely recommend getting it. And also, if you're a fan of window visors, these are a better looking one versus the plain ones. Alright guys, that about wraps it up. Thanks for watching the video. I'll catch y'all in the next one.